Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel and Cards. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the smartest tricks to get maximum value from your HDFC Infinia and the Diners Black reward points. If you try to transfer your HDFC points directly to British Airways or Qatar Airways, the bank gives you a terrible 2:1 reward ratio, meaning you lose half of your reward points instantly. But here's a secret most people don't know about. Both British Airways and Qatar actually use the Avios as the core currency. And HDFC Bank has one more partner, Finnair Plus, that also uses Avios and gives you a 1:1 transfer ratio. So instead of transferring your HDFC points directly to British Airways or Qatar and getting only half the Avios, you can transfer them to Finnair Plus at 1:1 ratio and then ship the Avios from your Finnair to British Airways or Qatar at 1:1 ratio inside the Avios ecosystem itself. This way, you can double the value for the exact same points.
Now, let's jump to my screen and I will show you the step-by-step process. Avios is the core of 7 airlines and you can move your points to any of these at 1:1 ratio without any fee. I will also show how to transfer to Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer in the end of the video. Make sure to follow the steps in the exact order. Step 1. Create a Finnair Plus account and a British Airways account. Sign up is free and quick. Links are in the description. Note, your first name, last name, email ID and date of birth should be same in both the accounts. If not, you won't be able to link both the accounts and you'll get the following error. Step 2. Open the Avios website and log in with the British Airways credentials. Link is in description. After login, click on the Move Avios option. Then click on the Transfer to Finnair Plus card. In this page, click on the Link Accounts Now button. It will ask you to set up a two-factor authentication. Check your email and follow the instructions on it. Set up the two-factor authentication either via the Authenticator app or your mobile number. Once the two-factor authentication is set up, click on Continue and enter the verification code from your SMS or the Authenticator app. Wait for it to process and you are done. You will receive an email about the account linking. If you see any error even after successful linking, then log out and log in again. Once done, scroll down and verify if you can see the Move Points option from Finnair to British Air. Now, step 3. Log into your Smartbuy account and click on the Miles Transfer option. Click on the Finnair option and then enter your Finnair membership ID and other details. Then input the number of points you wish to transfer. I will transfer 5000 points for this demo. Click on the Convert Now button. Now enter the OTP and you are done. The transfer takes about 5 minutes to process. Step 4. Go back to your Avios website and refresh the page. You will be able to see the updated balance. Now scroll down to the transfer box. You can click on the shuffle arrow icon to shuffle the inputs. Then enter the amount of points you have in your Finnair and click on the Transfer Avios button. Now enter the OTP and you are done. Your points will be transferred instantly. Now, if you want to transfer the British Airways points to Qatar, then go back to the Move Avios page and click on the Transfer to Qatar Airways option. Then follow the same account linking process and move the points. You can use the same option if you wish to transfer your points to any other 5 airlines. Select the airline from which you want to move the points. In our case, it's British Airways. Now, before we move to the KrisFlyer, I would request you to please like and subscribe. I post travel tips and hacks every week. Smartbuy does not allow moving points to KrisFlyer, but the transfer option is hidden inside the HDFC Net Banking. Log in to your HDFC Net Banking and select your credit card. Beside the points, you will see a Redeem button. Make sure pop-ups are not blocked on your browser, else the page won't open. Once this page opens, click on the Air Miles drop-down, followed by the Frequent Flyer Registration option. Select the airline and enter your KrisFlyer ID and details. Then click on the button below. Next, click on the Air Miles drop-down and click on the Air Miles redemption option. On this page, once you select the KrisFlyer account, your membership details will be prefetched. The redemption ratio is 1:1. Now enter the number of points you wish to transfer and then hit the process button. Enter the OTP and you are done. And this brings us to the end of the video. If you found this informative, then please subscribe and share it with your friends.